What's going on, guys? Welcome back to James RC Garage. Today we're going to test run Blue with his new shocks on the outdoor course. It's starting to rain, so we're probably going to make this here pretty quick. And I'm trying a different mount here so I can drive two-handed. Been a minute since we've had Blue running, so we gotta shake some cobwebs off. And as you can see, we got quite a bit of erosion going on from all the rain that we've had. He's still on V1 electronics. All right. Let's try some of the new section of rock course here. Took that side hill pretty good. Heck yeah. Alright, let's back down it here. And try not to roll. Oh. And reset. Alright, we're reset. So we gotta do a little bit of tuning. But shocks are doing okay. He is gonna need some new electronics here soon. So yeah. Surprisingly, the ESC is pretty quiet today. Like I said, it's been a while since I've ran Blue. Here on the V1 electronics. So yeah. There you have it, guys. Quick little run with the OGRC oil-filled shocks on the outdoor course. As always, guys, like, subscribe, and share. Click that notification bell to get notified when I drop videos like this. And as always, guys, we'll talk to y'all later. Peace.